You ready? Walk like a mop. Body face like you matter. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Quay, and I'm back with another video. So as y'all can see, we in super Walmart and stuff, and I'm gonna make a funny video today. What I'm gonna be doing is making awkward noises in front of people and getting a reaction. So come on, y'all, cause I need a peanut. Oh, come on, y'all, let's go see Pharaoh.
It's the walk for me.
Hey guys, her best friend, you already know, aka the cameraman for the day. Yeah, about to be lit.
Look at Godson. Hi, little baby.
Oh, he didn't. You saw his face,
Girl, cause he mad cause he was crying in the car. See? It's the wobble for me.
well, like a bottle. Body face like a Coke bottle.
Stop.
We gotta go find some people, y'all. Hold on. I gotta tell my recorder person, do not be shaking. Hold on. Do not be shaking. And you better hold that camera correct.
Shut up. Come on.
Do you understand
I already put
us?
myself on there, so you.
Do you understand us? Before I show the drip.
Yeah, the drip is spicy.
Oh my gosh, you guys, do it.
Do it. Hey, do it. Come here. All right, come on. Excuse me? Do you know what a pancake are?
Pancake mix is, I don't know.
Oh, thank you.
Yo, I swear this is hilarious. Oh, that's perfect. Come on. It's like, oh, I love fucking cereal.
Oh my God!
I love cereal in here. It's so good and yummy and white.
Tell her to shut up. Yeah.
If we gonna do it, we gotta do it right.
So wait, hold on, y'all. Cause I'm hot. I want to take this off, but y'all, I'm scared of that Delta. Comment below if y'all scared, cause I'm scared, and I'm usually not wearing a mask, y'all. And I already had COVID, and I'm still scared. So, bear with me, cause I'm hot. All right, here, bitch. Yeah, that's a lot of people in Walmart today. So this video should be a good one. Oh! This right here! You want it?
Yes.
Oh wait, no, we'll find something else.
Girl, I can't wait till you see their face. Yo, we really need help.
Nah, listen, y'all, I'm really just trying to put out some good content for y'all. Like, I'm trying to get this lit. So make sure y'all like this video right now, subscribe to my channel, and press that bell, y'all.
Period.
Because we only getting started. Oh!
I was not expecting that. Wait, I was not expecting. Down that aisle, the doggy aisle.
All right, keep it on me.
Yo, you're annoying.
Sorry. my god! Look at that!
You want that?
Yeah!
What?
I'm hot, y'all. I can't breathe.
We doing a little twist. We doing a little twist. So yeah, hold on. This is a little twist to the video, right? We wasn't gonna tell y'all yet, but we gonna tell y'all now. Only cause best friends hopping in on the video. Yeah, we making a channel together. And y'all know it's about to get crazy.
Extreme crazy.
Yeah, when we make the channel, I'm always gonna drop the channel in my videos. So y'all can go over to that channel and subscribe as well. Cause y'all, we gonna give extreme content on that. Hold on.
Oh my goodness. I want this. Oh my god. These are so fucking cute. Oh my gosh, I'm about to get them. Come on. Come on, Quay. Oh my goodness, I've been wanting these. You want them? Girl, I want them. Yes.
You want it?
All this shit.
You want it?
Yeah, I think they was mad.
Let's go, let's go. Why you really grabbing it?
That was funny. She mad as hell. She's about to have to put them back.
Excuse the drip, y'all. She was not supposed to be in a video.
But period.
I begged her to come grocery shopping. My best friend hopped out of the bed, brushed her teeth and all that. But she ain't changed her bedtime wear. It's alright.
I ain't even wear this today.
We gonna be raw today.
This is the morning wear.
Yeah, morning wear, cause she didn't wear that to bed, but y'all know what I mean. Over here, come on.
This fresh.
Drop it like it's hot.
Go it in the freezer.
Yeah, tell her you dare to drop it like it's hot right next to him. Be like, yes, daddy.
Peanut butter.
Look, you said good try. Don't mind them. You can say hi to my video. Let's see what we got so far.
Yeah. You want this?
See, what's those? What kind of fries are those?
Caesar fries.
Oh, I thought it said Cajun fries.
That's Checkers.
I'm from down south. All right, y'all. So look, we're gonna do a couple more people, and then we gotta get to grocery shopping. So let's go.
Oh my god. Sorry.
Go ahead.
Oh, clam. Oh my god. Yo, we really gotta stop, bro. But I'm just happy everybody's going along with it. They think this shit funny as hell. I'm weak. Your shoes are nice. You like those? Oh wow.
Yo, mind you. Stop playing with these fucking people.
Let's see.
Walmart is your home ready for everything you need. Useful, right?
Where the people's at?
Let's go back the fun way. I feel like this way
Yes, facts. The grocery part is more fun.
You like those? This is so cute. Oh my god. Look. It's shaped like a, what is this called?
Coconut.
A coconut.
Period.
Oh.
You want that? Do it again. What you just doing? Yeah. I swear you need help. Son.
Hi. I thought you wanted dog food. Do you need dog food?
Yeah.
Okay, let's look.
Want the big bag?
Like that?
Yeah. Oh shit, I almost dropped the camera.
Woo.
It's getting hot.
Alright, y'all. Woo, I'm hot. Now, I need y'all to comment down below and let me know if Bestie did a good job with the video recording. Cause y'all, when I post this, remember she had the camera, y'all. So don't be cursing me out. Curse her out if anything's wrong, okay? But we hope you enjoyed this video today. If you would like to see more content like this, you guys, drop the comments below and let me know. Also, let me know any other content you want me to put out for y'all, and I will do so. Like I said, stay tuned for me and Best Friend's channel. It's gonna be extreme bangers, at least every other day, y'all. So yeah, until next time, I love y'all. Oh yeah, do not make sure y'all like this video right now. Subscribe to my channel if you are new, and press that bell so you're notified every time I drop a lit video.